Welcome to Susie Cash Flow. Today we are going to show you how to make money on YouTube without filming a video. Here we shall be sharing enough information that you can take action right now and start making real money. Some of you will be shocked when I tell you that YouTube is the best business model as opposed to all of the other business models that are out there. Well, these are some of the reasons why. You can have YouTube channels without showing your face out there like me. You can run your YouTube channels from anywhere in the world. Your age doesn't really matter. You can start on your YouTube journey at 15 and start making thousands of dollars each month. Imagine you started at 15, then by the time you graduate from high school, you may be on $3,000 a month. The biggest reason that YouTube is the best business model out there is that you create a video once and it continues to pay you for years into the future. Yes, so long as people are watching, you keep catching out the dollars, euros, or pounds. For other businesses, you have to constantly do new things within the business every single month to continue making money. However, with YouTube, you set up the systems and processes once and that is it. Now think of every video that you create and upload as a piece of digital real estate that lives forever on the internet. Yes, and it then pays you money every single month of your life. I am still making money from videos that I uploaded 1 year ago since I joined YouTube in 2022. Just imagine if I had started some 10 years ago. Unfortunately, I was not informed as I am now. You may be just lucky to come across this video where I'm going to show you exactly how you can start planting these seeds for yourself with these 4 secrets that I mentioned. Please kindly like, comment, share, subscribe and hit on the notification bell as we unveil these secrets in detail. We are going to start with secret number 1, which is how to make money on YouTube without showing your face and the best niches to do this. Secret number 2 will detail how to actually generate content without showing your face and without recording any videos at all. Secret number 3 will be on how to go viral on YouTube fast. Don't forget that the more views, the more money you make. So going viral is important. Finally, secret number 4 is how to monetize your channel and make the most amount of money possible. Just imagine the hard road that you have to take to become rich, if ever. You have to go to college for multiple years with college loans that put you into debt. Then after graduation you work for many years to pay off the loans. Then you proceed to buy a house with a mortgage. Go to a job that you hate every day and work your whole life to pay off the mortgage. Towards the end of your life, you are left with just a couple of years to enjoy a decent retirement. Who knows if a decent retirement would ever even happen? Isn't this a sort of scripted lifestyle, controlled by world complexity? The stress and depression can lead to poor life with much conflict indeed. Is that what I want? Definitely not. So I set off searching for a better way to make money without too much stress and I came across channels that uploaded videos without showing their faces. Then I thought to myself, I can make videos like this. I immediately took my computer and started writing scripts, recording voiceovers using the InShort video editing app and uploading those videos onto my YouTube channel Susie Gist. None of them took off for a long time until I learned a couple of secrets which I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. After I implemented some of them, I had a video take off and got over 100,000 views within 24 hours. Bingo! I made notes of exactly what I did, what practically worked and then kept doing that over and over again and having more views. This was when I enjoyed the real honey of a monetized channel because the dollars kept flowing. We are going to go through 4 different videos with each having one of the secrets. So let's get into secret number 1, which is how to make money on YouTube without showing your face and the best niches and categories to do this in. Here is how this works. You find video ideas, you generate the videos and then you upload and optimize those videos on YouTube. The first step in doing this is choosing a niche. So what is a niche? A niche is simply a category of content that you upload videos in. You can't be uploading videos all over the place. Such as uploading agricultural videos, music videos, basketball videos, cooking videos and drone videos on the same channel. No, you have to stay within a consistent category of content that you upload in. It's important that you choose a niche, take action, and go with that as soon as possible. Some of the best niches include health, wealth, happiness, relationships, travel, and technology. These niches have videos going up regularly with over 100,000 views on them, which means it'll be way easier for us to create a thriving business out of this, and also these niches have a high CPM now. CPM is how much money we make per thousand of views on our video once we have monetized our channel. With a high CPM, we can possibly make the most amount of money. Even if you don't get a lot of views on your channel, you can still potentially make a lot of money if the CPM is high. These niches have a lot of alternative monetization potentials, as well as you can add affiliate marketing or sell your own digital products and make much money as well. Believe me, once you have one video take off, it'll feed all of the other videos on your channel. You will see exponential growth once you reach a certain point. So just upload around 50 videos and then things will start to compound and you can have a thriving business out of YouTube. Now let's check some examples of channels and subcategories that you can take a look at. Within a broad niche of health, we have the sub-niche of gaining muscle, which is very popular on YouTube now. There is a channel called Body Hub which has over 1 million subscribers, and the videos are so easy to make. They use just stock footage and put them together using a free video editor. Yes, that is all what it takes, and the channel gets over 3 million views each month. Imagine if the CPM is 10, this will be over $30,000 monthly. If they also promote affiliate products, they could be making well over $50,000 monthly. There is another channel within this same sub-niche of gaining muscle which got over 60,000 views, and the video is literally just a slideshow which is screen recorded with a free screen recorder called OBS. In our next week's video, we shall elaborate on how to use installed OBS and start screen recording videos for upload. Another good sub-niche within health are weight loss and natural remedies. The channel Bestie is a good example with over 4 million subscribers. Check it out, it is doing well too. Why not give it a try? Don't forget to like, leave a comment, subscribe and hit on the notification button to keep up with updates of all 4 secrets that I will be unveiling in 4 different videos. Now let's look at another niche, wealth. In the wealth niche there are also multiple sub-niches too that are doing so well, such as money online investing. You can do all these without showing your face like me. I know some people already have a YouTube channel with a niche that is not doing well. Don't bother. The good news is that you can change the niche and name of your channel at any time. Let me prove it to you now. I created this channel around November 2022 under the name Susie Shopping, and uploaded videos that were not doing well at all. Then in January 2023, I learned that wealth niches had a high CPM and more traffic. I switched immediately to change the name to Susie Cash Flow, created just one video titled How to Re-Upload Videos Without Copyright Claims and Make Money on YouTube in 2023. Then I uploaded it on this channel. This was my last video before I had an injury that kept me down till today. I just recovered and came back to this channel to find out that the video has been doing well. CPM is high, views are up. It is actually the only video with almost 30,000 views on this abandoned channel. Yes, and I have never even shown my face. Out of the 5 monetized channels that I have, this Susie Cashflow niche has a very high CPM. Meaning you can make a lot of money per 1,000 views as opposed to the other many niches on YouTube. Just imagine if I add an affiliate business to it. Bingo! This is what I will be adding soon. There are also excellent niches like the investment niches such as Chris Invest. You can check it out. Also check out luxury niches like Mr. Luxury, business stories niches like a channel called Magnets Media, niches for happiness, confidence amongst others. Behold, none of these channels I am sharing with you ever show their faces, yet they get millions of views per month and make a lot of cool cash from their channels. Relationships niche too are good, where you could talk about how to fix relationship problems, how to get an ex back, how to get a girlfriend or boyfriend. Traveling niches are good too, especially with content on travel guides. The truth is that you don't even have to travel to these places to create this type of content. You can use just online clips in your videos to talk about travel ideas or about the best places to live. Don't also forget to include technology, with lots of future technology tutorials that you can do with a free screen recording software to showcase how to use different applications on your computer. Some of these types of content don't even need you to talk about them. Just action alone can explain itself. All these different niches I just shared with you have tons of views and are the best niches to do this in. However, you may be thinking of doing something different. Yes, go for it, so long as those niches have videos with hundreds of thousands of views every month. This is very easy to verify by searching on YouTube. There are also some other niches that have not been mentioned, but also doing very well on YouTube, though with less alternative monetization sources. Don't forget, more views, more ads revenue. These include niches like animal videos, car videos, food videos, scary videos, and celebrity niche like in one of my channels, Susie Gist. I remember posting one video titled, Kim shocked as Rihanna sets Kanye West on stage during the Apple Music Super Bowl 57 halftime show. This video got 100,000 views within 24 hours. This was a big surprise for me. Unfortunately, I got an injury a month after and just recovered recently. We'll be uploading more videos henceforth. That was it for secret number 1, where we just unveiled how to make money on YouTube without showing your face and the best niches to do this. Make sure you watch the next videos coming up soon with secrets number 2, 3, and 4 on each video. Secret number 2 will detail how to actually generate content without showing your face and without recording any videos at all. Secret number 3 will be on how to go viral on YouTube fast. Finally, in secret number 4 we are going to reveal some of the best high CPM niches to make sure we all are making the most amount of money as well. Do not worry if the niche you intend to do is not covered here, just verify first on YouTube and make sure that it will be feasible with getting tens of thousands of views so you don't put up the work for nothing. Like this channel wasn't having views and the CPM was negligible before I learned these tricks and actually changed both name of channel and videos to start having tens of thousands of views. I wish to walk this path with you so we enjoy the YouTube honey together. Take action now and let's sail through this journey together. Like, comment, share, ask questions, subscribe, and don't forget to hit on the notification bell to keep up with updates. I hope you did learn something from this channel. I do respond to all your questions and may create a new video to practically clarify a few complex questions. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Cheers.